Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I have this easy honey garlic lemon pepper chicken thighs for you guys. These are super flavorful and very easy to make. But before I show you guys how it's done, please take a second to subscribe, like the video if you enjoy, and let's get started. All right, family, here are the ingredients. I will leave all of the measurement down below for you guys, so don't forget to check that out. These are the seasoning that I'll be using. I have onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, I have sazon, I have lemon pepper, I have a whole bunch of seasoning in there, which I will leave down below. We have some lemon slices as well as some honey. And also I have some chicken broth to make our honey garlic sauce. And also you will need some olive oil or any other type of oil you have in hand. And also we have 3 garlic cloves minced. Okay, and also you will need some butter, unsalted or salted, it doesn't really matter. And also we have our chicken thigh. I have about 5 pounds of chicken thighs, nice and clean. First thing we'll be working on is our paste. I am going to pour in my olive oil and I am going to give that a mix. We're making a nice paste or marinade to marinate our chicken thighs. Now, if you need more oil, just add a little bit more to make it nice and pasty, something like this. Next, I am going to grab my chicken and start marinating it. Now, don't forget to season underneath the skin as well because you want that to be nice and flavorful. All right, now that we have our chicken nice and marinated, we're going to bake it. Now, I am going to use a cooling rack to bake mine. However, you can use any type of baking dish. So the cooling rack helps the chicken cook faster because the hot air circulate all over bottom, top, all over the chicken, and it helps the chicken remain kind of crispy. So I am going to bake it on 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. Once it comes out, you guys, take a good look. It's looking absolutely delicious. Now let me show you guys how to make the sauce super easy, very fast. I am going to melt about 4 tablespoons of butter. Once melted and nice and hot, you're going to add your minced garlic. Fry it for about 30 seconds. Then you are going to add your honey. Okay, once you add the honey, give that a quick stir just like that. And then you are going to add your chicken broth just to dilute it, the honey a little bit, a tad bit, so it doesn't, burn. By the way, at this point, I am cooking this on medium-low heat just so I don't burn the sauce. And then I'm going to drop in my lemon slices here and there. Give that a quick stir. And also, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, which is very optional, just to give it that, color a bit. And once your sauce is nice and thick, you are going to place or baste your sauce on your chicken thighs, something like this, you guys. It's very easy. This is the perfect family dinner, especially if you're in a hurry. You can try this as well for wings or salmon. It'll work. Okay, and I am going to baste it. Oh, it's looking so yummy. I am going to bake this again for about 10 minutes just to caramelize the sauce some more, and once it comes out, it's done. This is your final result, you guys. How good does this look? Oh my gosh, it's looking so good. And let me tell you, it tastes as good as it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If it was helpful, if you liked it, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me. That helps me out a lot. And also leave a comment down below if you're going to try this out. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.